Hey guys, my name is Dr. Sam and I'm really excited today because I've got a very special guest with me, my nephew, and he has one of the coolest names in the entire world. What is your name?
Sam.
Sam what?
Bailey.
I told you. So Sam has kindly agreed to help me open this award from YouTube, which is the what is the award?
The 100,000 subscriber play button.
The silver play button. Yep.
Yeah.
And I've been pretty excited about this. Have you been feeling excited?
Yeah.
It's good. And we haven't. Have I opened it yet? Have I had a look?
No.
It's completely boxed up. We haven't done anything, so this is going to be the first time. I don't even know what's in it. Hopefully it's the right thing, so you can take it away and open it up and we'll see what's inside. Oh my gosh.
The letter.
Yeah. Show it up. Special letter. Oh my gosh, and look at this.
Wow. It's got your name on it. And it's
Oh, I've got to get this thing out. Oh man, it's pretty cool.
wow. It's like a mirror you can see through.
Oh, cool. Oh, thank you so much, Sam. I'm so pleased that you could do this with me. Are you going to have a YouTube channel one day?
I would like one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You have 1 million subscribers?
Hopefully.
Oh, it's cool. Awesome. Thank you. Oh, wow. Do you know, I really was looking forward to getting this and I didn't think it would ever happen. You know, when I first started this channel, it was a really good friend of mine, actually my best friend from high school, who said to me that I should make these videos on health topics. And I remember saying to her at the time, who's going to watch them? I don't think anyone's going to watch me talking about these things. And she's like, no, people will want to watch you. And she was right. And I was actually just so over the moon when I had 100 subscribers and I thought, gosh, these aren't all people that I know. There are some people that I don't know, not my mum and my family and friends. So thank you so much for supporting my channel in that way. For you, for me, 2020 has been a really tough year, and with everything, all the crazy stuff that's been happening professionally, this has been a really tough year for me as well. I haven't been able to really talk about it on here because of legal ramifications and things, but hopefully in the future I will be able to talk to you more about what has been going on. You know, I really just enjoy making these videos and trying to help people learn things. It's a real passion of mine. If I give you a smile or once a week make you feel a bit better about something, then that's all I really want from this. Going forward, you know, you never know what will happen in terms of whether I get censored off YouTube or for whatever reason can't do it anymore, but I'm really grateful that I've had this opportunity to be able to make these videos and that you've wanted to watch them. So again, thank you so much for getting me here. Over the next year I'm wanting to do some really interesting content. You know, I get letters from people, physical letters, and that just, wow, it's amazing. Emails of so much support, and when you start talking openly and really, I guess, truthfully about what you believe, you're never sure how it's going to go down, how people are going to respond. And I look forward to seeing you again next week with some more videos.